This weekend is jam-packed with tons of musical acts, exciting sports events, and even a movie night right here on campus. Tonight, I, Hannah Kirby, will help you find the perfect way to spend your weekend around Milwaukee. Whatever type of music you're into, I'm sure there's a venue in Milwaukee that definitely has you covered. The Rave alone has 3 great concerts happening Saturday, February 8th, all starting at 8 p.m. 2 Chainz is making a stop on his Too Good to Be True tour in the Eagles Ballroom. If rap isn't your thing, maybe country is. FM 1061 presents singer-songwriter Kip Moore with Joey Hyde and Chris Kavanaugh. If neither of these shows interest you, hopefully this one will. New Politics is headlining the rave with special guests Magic Man and Sleeper Agent. Over at the BMO Harris Bradley Center, another great country act, the Zac Brown Band, is hitting the stage at 7 p.m. Friday night. A more affordable way to spend your Friday night is right here on campus. Thor: The Dark World, starring Chris Hemsworth, is showing at the Varsity Theater at 8 for only $2. If you're not looking to attend any kind of show this weekend, maybe some sports action is just what you need. The Milwaukee Admirals take on the Utica Comets this Friday night. Game time is 7 p.m. at the BMO Harris Bradley Center. If you can't make the game on Friday, the Admirals play again Sunday at 5 p.m. against the Chicago Wolves. Also at the Bradley Center, the Bucks play the Houston Rockets Saturday with tip-off at 7:30. Whether you want to catch a game, see a show, or listen to music this weekend, there is such great entertainment going on all around Milwaukee. Until next time, I'm Hannah Kirby. Have a great night and a fantastic weekend.